Hi students, how are you all? So today we are going to see action of nitric acid. That means how nitric acid is reacting with some other compound. Okay. See, if you discuss about metals with nitric acid, all metal may not react with nitric acid. There are some exceptional. What are the exceptional? See, gold, platinum, tantalum, like some metals does not reacting with nitric acid. Okay, then some metals may react with nitric acid producing oxides. So metal with nitric acid, it will produce metal oxides. See, there are some exceptional like aluminium. Okay, they themselves forming one layer on that because of formation of oxide. See, without reacting anyone, right? Aluminium, if you keep it long time, it will oxidize itself with air. It will form aluminium oxide. This aluminium oxide layer, if you consider it is an aluminium rod, the layer will form on the surface of the rod. Then what will happen? Because of this formation of metal oxide, which is not reacting with the nitric acid. I hope you may understand. Okay. So what type of metals like oxides are forming on the layer? See, aluminium, nickel, cobalt, iron, all are forming outer layer with the oxide formation. What type of metals are giving like oxides? Tin, weak electropositive like arsenic, antimony, tungsten, molybdenum, they are giving metal oxide. So metal with nitric acid, maximum gold, platinum does not reacting. Then aluminium not reacting because of formation of a oxide layer. Some metals are giving metal oxide. Now we are going to see how generally metals react with nitric acid. Then which gives maximum product as a side product, not a main product. As a side product, what we are getting in all the reaction means we can write NO2, then NO, somewhere rarely N2, NH2OH, NH3 also, nitrous acid oxide. These are the side product we will get during the reaction with nitric acid, right? So we can arrange based on their oxidation state how first HNO3, here the nitrogen having plus 5 oxidation state, okay, followed by nitrogen dioxide, here plus 4, nitrous acid plus 3, then nitric oxide NO plus 2, then nitrous oxide plus 1, nitrogen 0, then which having minus 3 when NH3. So like we can make it a order of oxidation state different. So nitrogen having different oxidation state. Okay, right. Now we are going to see how nitric acid is reacting with metals which having 3 steps. The first step, primary step. What is the primary step? Metals reacting with nitric acid gives nascent hydrogen. Okay, what do you mean nascent hydrogen? As a hydrogen atom, not a molecule. The second step, what happened? This hydrogen further react with nitric acid with a different amount of moles, which gives different product. What are the product? First we are going to take nitric acid with 2 hydrogen. If you take 2 hydrogen, it will form nitrous acid. What's the remaining? H2. Hydrogen gas will come out. Sorry, one more oxygen we will remove, H2O. Okay, right. Next, the same HNO3. If you react with 6 hydrogen, okay, what will form? It will form ammonium hydroxide, hydroxylamine, not ammonium hydroxide. We can say hydroxylamine with 2 moles of H2O, right? Here we are going to take 8 moles of hydrogen. If you take 8 moles of hydrogen, we are getting ammonia, NH3, right? So NH3 will go, remaining will get 3 H2O. Okay. Then at last the nitric acid taking 2 moles with 8, same number of hydrogen. If you take, it will give hyponitrous acid, H2N2O2 plus H2O. So first step, metal gives hydrogen. Second step, that hydrogen further react with different moles of nitric acid gives different compound. These are the things are very important. Nitrous acid, ammonium, hydroxylamine, ammonia, hyponitrous acid. So this secondary product may undergo 2 type of reaction. One is decomposition, another one is react with other side product. Okay, so one by one we will see now. At first, we are going to decompose all these secondary product. So tertiary reaction. In the tertiary reaction, what happening? See, the nitric acid, 3 moles of nitric acid undergoing decomposition. Again, it will give nitrous acid with here one more side product, nitric oxide along with water. Okay. So next, we are going to take 2 moles of nitric acid. See, all those things. Here also I am wrong. HNO2, here HNO3, right? Because we are taking secondary product to the tertiary reaction. Okay. So nitrous acid, HNO2, is giving nitrogen trioxide with water, N2O3. That is nothing but nitrogen trioxide. Okay. Then we can take that hyponitrous acid also on decomposition. All are first type of reaction, decomposition reaction gives nitrous acid with water. Okay, just you removing one oxygen and adding water. These are the decomposition reaction of secondary product. So this second, then tertiary reaction having 2 type, decomposition. Another one is a reaction with other reactant. Okay. See, first we can take the nitrous acid with ammonia, one of the another substituent. It will give nitrogen gas with water, right? 1 nitrogen, 2 nitrogen, becoming nitrogen gas. Remaining you can write as a water. Then nitrous acid with hydroxylamine, NH2OH. What will happen? It will form nitrous acid, so nitrous oxide with water, right? So here we have 2 nitrogen. Apart from 3 oxygen, 1 oxygen we have written. So you make it 2 water molecules. At last, the nitrous acid also react with another nitric acid, HNO2 with HNO3 gives nitrogen dioxide with water. So from this, what you able to understand, the secondary product undergoes decomposition or reaction with other reactant gives different product. Now we are going to see the real examples. For a M, we are going to substitute any metal because metal will give like this reaction. Some example, first with the copper with nitric acid. So here number of moles important, 6 moles of nitric acid. Usually copper will give copper nitrate. Okay, so 3 moles of copper nitrate. What are the remaining thing you will get? only 6 hydrogen. Okay. Now this 6 hydrogen, as usual, what will happen? 6 hydrogen reacting with nitric acid means what will happen? It may produce nitrous acid HNO2 with hydrogen, sorry, water. See this 6 hydrogen undergoing further reaction. Okay. Then this 3 nitrous oxide undergoing decomposition. Decomposition are reacting with one more nitric acid. So first 6 hydrogen react with nitric acid gives nitrous acid. Nitrous acid with HNO3 nitric acid gives, at last we wrote nitrogen dioxide with water. Now we can sum up all these reactions. Okay, just sum up. Now cancel 6 hydrogen, 6 hydrogen. Okay. Yes. Then how many nitric acid? 3 copper you can write here. 1, 6, 7, 8. So 8 nitric acid. 3 HNO2, 3 HNO2 will be cancelled. Then this side 3 Cu copper nitrate with 2 NO2 plus 4 H2O. So the overall reaction will get this one. Okay, right. All this reaction will take place with dilute nitric acid. If you take concentrated acid with copper, what will be the product? So concentrated acid means we will take 4 moles HNO3. Here also we will get copper nitrate CuNO3 twice. Okay. Then the side product only will vary. What are the product? 2 NO2 plus H2O. Right? In case in that overall reaction we got NO. Here NO2. That is the difference with the concentrated nitric acid. Now the next reaction. What is the next reaction? Next example I can say with magnesium. 4 magnesium with 8 nitric acid. You may ask, sir, how I can remember all those numbers? So if you write repeatedly, definitely you can write. Okay. It is giving 4 moles of magnesium nitrate with water. So 4 moles of water. Now these 4 moles of water, actually 8 hydrogen, because the next reaction only it becoming water. Usually metal react with acid in the primary reaction will give hydrogen. Okay, right. So we got magnesium nitrate, that 8 hydrogen with another nitric acid. 8 hydrogen with nitric acid means what type of product will form? Already we know that. Okay, it will give ammonia NH3 with water. Now only it is forming water. How many moles of water? 3 moles of water. Now this ammonia will react with further HNO3 NH3. So it will give ammonium nitrate NH3 plus 1 hydrogen NH4 ammonium nitrate. See, this is new type of product. Now only we are seeing. So the overall reaction, you sum up all this reaction. Then 8, 9, 10 with 4 magnesium, they are taking 10 HNO3. NH3 will cancel. 8 hydrogen will cancel. So 4 MgNO3 twice plus only 3 hydrogen, water, and also NH4 NO3. So this is the overall reaction with the magnesium metal. Okay. Here also now we have taken concentrated nitric acid. If you take dilute nitric acid, what will be the product? Same number of moles will take, only small change. This reaction we need. That's why I am writing here Mg plus 10 HNO3. Same number of moles, but this is dilute nitric acid, concentrated nitric acid, which is giving magnesium nitrate along with nitrous acid. Here we got ammonium nitrate. Here nitrous acid with water. So here 5 moles of water, here only 3 moles. Okay. Next, we are going to see uses of nitric acid. Only 2 uses it is given. The both oxidizing agent that we know very well because we are using in organic chemistry nitric acid as an oxidizing agent. Next, which is used with along with AgNO3, silver nitrate in photocopy, right? So we can prepare photocopy AgNO3 by using nitric acid. Then gunpowder, sodium nitrate, NaNO3 you can prepare by using nitric acid. Okay. Now we are going to see some special type. What is that? Oxides of nitrogen, oxoacid. Okay. Nitrogen oxide. What are the nitrogen oxide? We know that. First we will take nitrous oxide, N2O. How will you prepare this N2O? First, the charges already we have discussed. Only thing, the colorless natural gas. Okay. Neutral gas. Then ammonium nitrate, NH4NO3. If you decompose, it will give nitrous oxide. Okay. Along with water. This is the preparation of nitrous acid. Okay, one type of nitrogen oxide we are seeing. Next, NO, nitric oxide, colorless gas. This is also neutral. This is having some big reaction. Sodium nitrate, iron sulfate, and then H2SO4. I think FeSO4 also we are taking 2 moles. Here 3 moles. Now what are the product? As usual, it may oxidizing agent. So FeSO4 will oxidize into Fe2SO4 thrice. Okay. Then sodium bisulfate, NaHCSO4. Along with that, 2 moles of nitric oxide and water. So these gases are important, okay, because we are preparing nitric oxide, right? Next oxide, what's the next oxide? We have nitrogen trioxide, N2O3. How will you prepare nitrogen trioxide? If you take nitric oxide with the nitrous oxide, okay, it will give N2O3 2 times. 4 nitrogen, then 3 oxygen. So we will get N2O3. Here small change, we have to take N2O4, okay, because we need 6 oxygen, right? Next oxide, nitrogen dioxide, NO2, right? It is also brown gas. See, N2O3, blue color solid, acidic, brown gas. Here nitrogen dioxide, brown gas, and also acetate. We can prepare from lead nitrate, PbNO3 twice. This is our practical equation, because lead nitrate, if you heat, it will give brown color gas, that is nothing but nitrogen dioxide. So 2 moles of nitrogen dioxide with 2 moles of lead oxide, remaining will get 3 moles of oxygen. Okay. Yes, nitrogen tetraoxide. How do you prepare nitrogen tetraoxide? We have to take 2 moles of nitrogen dioxide. So it will give N2O4. Just a combination reaction. It is also colorless solid and acidic in nature. At last, nitrogen pentoxide. See, nitrogen trioxide, tetroxide. Here pentoxide. Colorless solid, acidic. See, both tetraacid and tetraoxide as well as pentoxide same in physical nature. So here we are going to take nitric acid with phosphorus pentoxide P2O5. Okay, now we will give N2O5, just 2 nitrogen is displaced. Then what is the remaining? H2PO3. What is the name of the product? HPO3, not H2, HPO3 2 times. We are getting phosphorus acid, hypophosphorus acid. Okay, right. Now we have prepared all the oxo acids of nitrogen and the nitrogen oxides. Next, we are going to see some structure of nitrogen compound. So, what is structure of N2O, nitrous oxide? How will you prepare nitrous oxide? Sorry, how will you write nitrous oxide? This is somewhat difficult. N. Actually, 2 nitrogen we have, they are existing as a isomer resonance structure. Oxygen here, this, because nitrogen having 4 bond and also all the 6 oxygen belongs with the oxygen only, so it's having minus, right? Otherwise, if you remove this, we can make it RMR, coordinate covalent bond, right? Otherwise, the same structure you can substitute here. So N will come with the positive charge, double bond, O negative with 6 electron. So these are the possible structure for nitrous oxide, laughing gas. Then nitric oxide, very easy, NON, triple bond oxygen, because of oxygen carrying third bond. Okay, it is not a strong bond like a weak attractive force. Or if you write a strong bond, you should write here minus as well as here plus. Then nitrogen dioxide. How do you write the structure of nitrogen dioxide? N, double bond O, one side, another side oxygen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because 2 electron involved in the bond formation. Nitrogen also having one lone electron, not lone pair. Pair means 2. Okay. Next, nitrogen tetroxide. This is a nice structure. Nitrogen tetroxide, N2O4. N double bond O, N, O double bond. Then look at the nitrogen which having 4. So one is coordinate covalent bond. Okay, right. The next one you can write nitrogen pentoxide. What is the structure of nitrogen pentoxide? One more oxygen, you make it in between with 4 electron. This structure of nitrogen pentoxide. Then hyponitrous acid. What is the structure of hyponitrous acid? O-N double bond N-OH. At last we can write hydronitrous acid, H4 N2O4. For this we can write some different type of compound N. The both nitrogen having each 2 OH group. It is a difficult compound, but it is different only. Then as usual, nitrous acid, H2, HNO2. How do you write HNO2? H-O-N double bond, right? So this like you can write all the structure. At last they are given oxo acids of nitrogen. Oxo acid means nitrous acid. How do you prepare nitrous acid? H2 N2O2. Hyponitrous acid. How will you write hyponitrous acid preparation? Here the charge of nitrogen is +1. See, somewhere they will ask charges also. Here silver hyponitrous acid like structures with silver Ag2, which is reacted with HCl. So these two hydrogen you just replace with silver. So H2 N2O2 with 2 AgCl. Okay. Then nitrous acid by taking barium nitrate with sulfuric acid, I hope. If you take sulfuric acid, what will happen? Nitrous acid HNO2 with barium sulfate BaSO4. The next one we are going to take per-nitrous acid. What is per-nitrous acid? Whenever we have the oxygen-oxygen bond, we will say peroxide. Okay. So from hydrogen peroxide, we are going to prepare per-nitrous oxide. Right? So it is giving like per is nothing but HNO2. Okay, nitrous acid. Okay, H2 HNO2. So it will give water also. Okay, nitric acid preparation already we have seen meaning preparation. Okay, at last per nitric acid HNO4. How will you prepare? H2O2 hydrogen peroxide with N2O5 nitrogen pentoxide. So it will give like this different type of compound with 4 oxygen in the compound and also nitric acid. Okay, this is nothing but HNO4, right? So remaining we'll see about phosphorus in the next video. Thank you.